we don't want cry here. Hello guys. You so say laughter go gree me make I do this video. As I look your face now.
Hello guys. Welcome to our channel. This is Ego Oyibo. I'm Ego Oyibo.
God, may God forgive me. So she has done the introduction. So you know my name, Tineye, and this is my friend, Ego B. Okay. My friend, okay, don't call me. I'm Ego B. Ego Oyibo. Ego Oyibo, Ego Ego Sarah. So yeah, it's just going to be a quick one. Okay? It's just going to be a quick video. So I want her to give our opinion to expecting mothers, let me put it like that, those who are believing in God for the fruits of the womb. Okay, yeah. So let her give her opinion. What do you think that women who are waiting on God for the fruits of the womb, what's your advice to them generally? A case study, me your friend.
Anyway, there's a way you can get children in a different way. Some people will say fertility drugs, some people will say ovulation circle, some people will say let's wait for God's time. Everything is true. Everything is true.
Like what works for this person may not work for this person.
Exactly.
So you are trying to say that for some people, fertility drugs may work for them. Then for some people, knowing their ovulation cycle can work.
For
Why others trusting in
trusting
God
in God can work. Because
okay.
those people that wait for God's time, no matter how they use drug, ovulation, anything may not work. So they will just okay, maybe when God's time
It's
the best.
Of course, God's time is always the best.
Exactly.
Alright, thank you. So what about your own experience? Did you, like, when you got married, did you just like pia?
No.
Did the belly enter pia? You know, there are some people. There are some people that once they get married, the belly will just pia. Before you know it, the thing will not enter. So was it your own case? Did you just get pregnant immediately?
My own is not pia. My own is special, you know, it's better variety, better food. Okay, anyway.
Please don't mind this, my friend. She can be very funny. Okay, so
alright. Anyway, the time I wanted to meet my husband, you know, I wanted the male child as my first son. Why? Why? Because in my own family we are full of girls. So I said no. When you come to my own marriage, my own mind, entirely, I must meet him on my ovulation period, so that I can get a male child and I track it down and make sure that I do not do any mistake. So I track it down. I will mate for good 3 days without stopping. All the time, all the sweet.
wait. Excuse me, this lady, you're not feeling fine. So so you're trying to tell guys, are you listening?
But before then, I was using what you call this tablet that look like fish oil. I've forgotten the name.
It's a fertility drug, right?
No. It's just immune your
Immune
system.
booster.
Yes.
Okay.
I forgot the name. It's like a fish oil.
Okay.
So I bought it in carton, in packet,
Okay.
and I finished it before I met my husband.
Okay.
Even while doing it, I was still taking the drug.
Okay.
I was even giving my husband to take it.
Okay.
So after the 3 days, I rest.
Wow.
After 7 days, God rested. Look at rest. Okay. So I can't rest, my sister. I'm not going to die. You know, don't do well. I'm not going to do it.
Guys, I beg, don't forgive me because this friend, she's really cracking me up, seriously.
Honestly.
So after 3 days, you rested.
I rested. I rest.
As you don't do the do finish.
I do the thing. I
Okay.
can't look and down.
Jesus!
So I rest. After I rest, I can't use my what is called book. To find my punari because it's don't hot.
Jesus!
Don't hot. So I said, don't give me space.
Baby, please.
Anyway.
We are going to be closing this thing. It's not only laugh that I'll call you, I'll be laughing. Anyway, so like, what's the duration from when you got married to when you got pregnant? Like a gap of how many months?
5 months, 6 months.
Okay, between
5
5 to 6
6
months.
months.
Okay, between 5 to 6. So she waited for 5 to 6 months. But during those periods, were you feeling any kind of pressure or anything?
No, nothing. I was just normal, normal
Okay.
person.
Just
Doing
enjoying
normal
your life.
course,
Doing
enjoy
your
my
work,
life,
doing the
you
work
know.
of God.
Not knowing that my little Odogu is inside.
Doing the work of God. But you sha was expecting something for you to say that you did
Yes.
some work for 3
Yes.
days.
So,
But it's just that you were not in a pressure.
No.
You were not in a form of pressure.
No.
Okay.
Actually, my mind was after 2 years, I'll give birth.
Okay.
Let me just enjoy my life.
Okay.
But I never knew this thing comes so suddenly. You know, that's why I say God time. Maybe that was my time.
Okay. Alright.
So after 6 months, I went to the hospital to check the gender of the baby. And they told me a male child. Just laughing, jubilating.
And she gave birth to a very fine boy. You see herself. So there's this it's like a questionnaire that we usually give to like I said, they're not the only one that I get their opinion concerning this very matter. So this is like a questionnaire. So and I usually take it to a few of my friends that I've interviewed on this matter. So you have to open it and tell them the question, like tell them what is written in the question. Then you answer the question.
Okay. Jesus.
Read the question now. What's
The question is, I am pregnant.
Uh-huh.
Oh, Govi, are you pregnant? Please, I'm confused. I say I am pregnant. Let me just ask my friend. Ugwando,
Yes, I am pregnant.
you sure? Please,
Yes,
urgent. My people, like my voice is now voiceless. I know what I'm saying. Look, are you pregnant?
I'm pregnant now.
Huh?
I'm serious.
Say God.
What's your honor?
Wait. I'm going to say Allah.
Allah.
Say God.
To God.
Let's go.
Jesus!
Sorry. Where's the apple there?
Where's the apple?
Hey, Ekele Chineke.
This woman, you want to finish me?
Yeah.
You want to finish me?
Hey, and we are talking about something. I never knew this girl I've taken in. Look, I keep this one side.
Wait first. That's just the essence of this video.
Okay.
I just want to get your reaction.
Ah. Blanco.
No, it's not prank. It's for real. Oh.
For you.
It's for real. Oh.
Hey. Oh, I don't know how to talk.
It's not a prank.
Oh, bless. Oh, God. Let the Chineke.
It's not prank. She thought it's a prank. It's not prank.
Oh, you were so simple. Now I understand, man.
But wait, you did not even suspect at all. All this while you did not suspect.
No.
You did not. Okay, I mean, you
didn't
don't
put
want to.
my mind.
You don't want to remind me of it.
No.
You know, put
No,
your
my
mind.
husband. So my husband was saying that I wish she's pregnant.
Mm.
I said, I beg, leave me. The girl don't vex me. So if actually I put my mind. Sorry.
Wait now, you don't believe me.
The end of discussion.
You don't believe me.
Huh?
You don't believe me.
You see another proof. Another proof.
You want proof? You want
You
proof?
can be corner.
This. She don't believe. No, Lazy, I'm serious. I'm pregnant. I wanted to tell you.
I'm not doing no work. You're not doing no work. Oh. No, go market. Man, help you to go to market. Tell anybody. Don't tell anybody. Come, cut this video. End of discussion.